Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family, and I'm very grateful for the new subscribers who joined the family. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. If you just stopped by, please click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Twine It Up Challenge, and this is hosted by Creations by Favi and Crafting with Maria. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I would recommend you to visit their channels. They have amazing creative content, and I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And after you have viewed my video, please do visit all of our videos on the playlist. As a part of the challenge, we're supposed to be using twine. So I'm planning to use one of my plastic peanut jar. I'm going to repurpose this using the twine and as well as the clothespin. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm making the garland from the beads. These are the wooden beads that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are the bigger size. And I just separated the bigger size and I spray painted white with Walmart 97 cents paint. And I'm making a tassel in the other end. I made a loop on one end and I inserted all the beads through this jute twine, and I made this I twirled it around one of the cardboard and I got this. So I'm going to attach it to like this. Just want to show how I do it. So I insert it through this and I'm making a knot, making a circle first, like a tight circle, and I'm making a knot, tight circle and a knot. and I'm going to cut all this. That's all. So this is one of the small garland from the larger beads from the Dollar Tree wooden beads bag. So yeah, this is all length I can get from all the larger beads. So yeah, I just want to show it quickly how I made a garland with a twine tassel. And you can decorate anywhere, you can hang it. I just created a loop so you can hang it, you know, or put it around the books, anywhere it's, you know. So this is the final reveal, you guys. I'm very excited to show this final outcome. And this is my peanut jar converted into a farmhouse flower vase. And I actually stuck the clothespin pieces. I just separated and then I stuck it around the peanut jar. And I twined in the bottom and also on the top. And I had one of the ribbon, farmhouse ribbon. I stuck it around the mouth of the jar and I created a bow with 2 pieces. And yeah, and this is one of the greeneries from Dollar Tree. It's so beautiful. So this is my flower vase from peanut jar. And this one is another sauce bottle, and I stuck the farmhouse burlap ribbon around it, and I created a flower from the twine and also twined it on the top, and I stuck one of the candle inside. And this is like a candle holder which is holding a candle, and I just decorated with 2 of the pine cones. And this actually, the garland is all from Dollar Tree, the bigger beads. And then I actually created a tassel. So, and I laid everything on this beautiful farmhouse looking tray from Dollar Tree. So this is such a beautiful project. I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me lit it up and show you. So this is how I'm going to decorate, and I'm very excited about this project. And let me know your thoughts on this, and if you like as much as I did, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. And yeah, as I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you again.